Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, and what started off to be a very powerful move last week has all been wiped away, and now it's really just a question of, does this little miniature upwards bouncer mean anything? I mean, you got to give credit's due. Nice little upwards movement here, but is there any sort of actual genuine power behind this, or is this just another one of these dead cat bounces? And the very straightforward way to first measure that is, well, let's see if the price, if it does continue to bounce, can it actually get up through this level here at the $7 mark, which is that key level of resistance. Now, that doesn't mean that it's got to happen, necessarily on Wednesday or really even in the next couple of days, but just generally speaking, if the price can, work its way above that level, I mean, even at that point, there would still be a whole lot more work that needs to be done. But it would at least make valid sense to start to be, start to get more confidence that, okay, yeah, maybe there is some sort of genuine power behind this movement. But at bare minimum, and the absolutely required thing that needs to be done is the price just can't go any lower, meaning that the 670 mark is very, very important because, I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but if this is the bottom, well, then by default, that means that you don't want to see the price going any further downwards. But if the price all of a sudden breaks down through, 670, so if the price comes down here, gets to that level, goes sideways, and then just crash to the downside, well, very clearly that would no longer be the bottom, right? That's just common sense. So that's why if this is any sort of, final bottom, if this is any sort of potential reversal, then that's why I say bare minimum, the price has got to stay above 670. But if it can start to bounce back upwards, then $7 is going to be a very important level to watch moving forward. So keep your eye on those couple of areas moving forward, but certainly an interesting setup, certainly more than valid, more than rational to begin to think, hey, you know what? Maybe this is some sort of bottom that's formed, but let's see if the price can at least maintain above these key levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.